Hi guys, welcome to my trading room. In this video I am going to discuss about my new trading setup. As many people have requested me recently about my new trading setup, so I decided I'll make an exclusive video on my new trading setup. What are the system configuration, what are the monitor size, what are the configuration of the system, how much entire setup costed me, everything I'll be discussing in detail in this video on my trading setup. As you must have seen me all my previous old videos on YouTube, you must have seen those monitors, those setup, those are very old. I was using that since 2011, so it was almost 9-year old. Recently started giving me problem like lagging and getting hanged and all this, and also I was moving to new place, so that is why I decided at a new place let me have an entire new setup. And let me tell you that I am not a technical person in computers and all this, that I have so much knowledge. I have not done this on my own. I told it to my computer technician about what I do, how I want, what is the size of monitors I want, everything, and he has assembled it and he has given me. And that is what I will be giving you detail about all the configuration, how much it costed me for the entire setup. Every unit I will tell you the price, how much it costed me, everything. So now without wasting much time, let us start the video on my new trading setup. Okay, first thing is, in trading you need a chair which is very comfortable, because in trading we sit for long hours, right? Market is open for around 6 hours, so you have to have a chair which is very comfortable, which is ergonomically designed so that you can comfortably sit and you will not get tired. So that's why get a chair which is very comfortable. There are many options available in Amazon if you are looking for a computer chair, but I purchased this chair from the furniture shop because I wanted to sit and feel comfortable. Because Amazon you can place the order, but only once it is delivered you will come to know whether it's comfortable or no. So that is why I purchased this from the local furniture shop, and for this computer chair I paid 5,500 rupees. And the next one is computer table. As you can see, my computer table, it is very big, where I can keep 2 monitors plus I can keep my laptop, and still there is extra space left. This table I have customized it, and this table I have ordered to my interior designer. This one costed me rupees 21,000. And it's very big, where easily 2 people can sit and do the work. Okay, now the next one you can see that even I have a television set in my room. This is the Samsung 32 inches television set. This is also very important if you have a television set in your trading room, because you should know what's happening in the global market, what's happening in the Asian market, how about the US market, how about the European market, is there any breaking news, is there any event coming up, everything you will come to know if you have a television set. I use it in my room only for news, only to know about the news, and I keep it in mute. I don't like this noise and all during the live market, so that's why I keep it in mute. Anything important comes on the TV, then only I put the volume, because otherwise it's simple noise during the live market. Okay, now let's go to the most important one in the trading setup, that is the CPU. You should know what is there inside so that you will get the best performance in your setup. Okay, the processor what I am using in this setup is Intel Core i7 2.9 GHz processor, and the price was 27,000 rupees for this processor. Next one, motherboard I used MSI H410M Pro VH, and the price was 5,500. And the RAM, he has given me 2 RAM 16 GB into 2, and the name is Corsair 16 GB into 2, and the price was 13,000 rupees. Next one, there is an internal hard disk, that is the Seagate 1 TB internal hard disk, and the price was 3,200. Then there is a graphic card inside, that is Zotac GTX 1650 4GB graphic card, and the price is 14,500. If you want to do heavy work on your computer, it is better to have a graphic card, and it costed me 14,500. And this good looking cabinet what you are seeing here is called Entech NX210 cabinet. So it's not too big also, neither it is too small, but it looks good. Like you can see that there are blue colors also, and if you want you can change the colors to green, red, whichever you want. I prefer to have a blue color. And many people were asking me how to connect 2 monitors with a single CPU. So for that you need a different cable, and the one what you are seeing here, this is the cable you need. It is from the Honeywell company, and the name of this cable which you are seeing here is called Honeywell DP to HDMI converter. Okay, you need this if you want to connect two monitors with a single CPU. Next we will move to the monitor. You can see that there are two giant monitors. So many people ask me what is the size of this monitor. The monitor size is 27 inches and the model is HP 27FW with audio. 27FW with audio. This is the HP company and looks very sleek, looks very nice, and it costed me 18,500 per monitor. And you can see it from the side also, it is so sleek. And now I'll tell you how I take use of two monitors, how it is useful for me. You can see that on one monitor I have split screen. On the left side what you are seeing, that is the Nifty chart. On the right side what you are seeing, that is the Bank Nifty chart. So I can see both Nifty, Bank Nifty very clearly having a 27-inch monitors. Whenever I do the day trading, mainly I trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty. Another monitor you can see that I have 4 charts. You can see that there are 4. You can see that one I am looking at the Tata Motors, one I am looking at the Reliance Industries, another one I am looking at Axis Bank, another one I am looking at HDFC Bank. Whenever I want to do the swing trading, I look for the stocks. Whenever I want to do the day trading, I look at the Nifty, Bank Nifty. So now you can see that almost I can see 6 charts at the same time by having a big monitor size. So that is how it helps you having a big monitor, so you can see everything very clearly if the monitor size is very big. So this one I use it for my swing trading, where I scan the stocks and I look for the opportunity for swing trading. Here I look for the opportunity in day trading. So that is how dual monitor can help you to have the eagle view. And this monitor comes with the audio itself. Monitor has a inbuilt audio, but still I went for a speaker. So you can see that there are 2 speakers below the computer. That is the RT speaker, and the price I paid for around 670 rupees. And the next one you can see that there is a HP wireless keyboard. It doesn't have any wire, so you can move wherever you want. And also you can see that keyboard is the wireless, and this costed me just 1600 rupees. That's it. And also you can see that I have a laptop which is normally used for placing the order. So for placing the order I use this laptop, and for chart analysis I use the monitors. So the laptop is Lenovo IdeaPad S540, and this one I purchased last year for around 60,000 rupees. And you can see that there is one more laptop I have, that is the Acer. This Acer laptop nowadays I don't use it, but still I am keeping it with me as a souvenir, because this is a laptop where I started my journey. This laptop I purchased in Dubai. When I was working in Dubai, I purchased this laptop for just 1100 dirhams. That means in Indian currency it's around 20,000 rupees. So that time I did not have enough money that I can spend on hi-fi laptop. So I wanted a small laptop which is pocket friendly, which is not expensive. And I am very emotionally attached to this laptop, because this is the laptop where I started doing the back testing about my strategies. This is the laptop where I was trading as a part-timer. This is the laptop where I finally learned how to do trading, and I built my strategies. Everything I started from this laptop. To say it in a simple word, this is the laptop which changed my life. That's why I decided to keep it with me as a souvenir. And then you can see that I have a small Ganesha idol here. So I am a believer of Ganesha, so I have a Ganesha idol here. And also you can see that I have some stationery like pens, and the small clock and everything. Okay guys, that's about this video about my trading setup. I hope I have covered everything, what all the system configuration, everything, how much it costed me, everything I covered in this video. And I hope you have liked this video, and also it helped you to how to have a trading setup. But finally I want to tell you 2 things if you are new to trading. Remember, having a big system setup, having dual monitor, laptop, and having all this doesn't make you profitable. Remember this is not just to make you profitable. By having this setup can help you to have a better view of the market. That's it. It is not something, the more monitors you have, the more profit you make, nothing like that. In trading, more important is your trading skills, not about having how many monitors. So my advice to new traders, don't spend too much money on all this setup. First learn trading, have a good strategy, have a good risk management, learn how to control emotion, learn about trading psychology. Next comes all this. And the second thing is that this all you should do it once you become experienced, and this should be done from your trading profit. Don't take the loan or take it from friends for a trading setup, and don't spend so much money on this. First thing is that you need to learn trading. First thing, always in trading, like any other profession, you need to learn trading. When I was a part-time trader, when I wanted to quit my job and take trading as a full-time profession, that time I did not spend on all this setup and all. I had this simple laptop which costed me 1100 dirhams, which equivalent to around 20,000 rupees, and this is the laptop I used for my part-time trading. You can also start with a small laptop, and only once you become a professional and once you make consistently profit, then only you can spend on all these things. And that's it about the today's video on my trading setup. If you want to learn how to do day trading, then you can go below this video. In the description section, I have given the link for my upcoming day trading webinar course. If you are interested, you can click that link and you can see what all I cover in my webinar. And if you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email, and you can join my upcoming webinar. And if you are into full-time job where day trading is not possible for you, then I have a swing trading course specially designed for people who are into full-time job. And if you are interested, you can purchase my swing trading course. I given the link below this video, especially for people who are into full-time job. So that's it guys, that's about today's video on my trading setup. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll come back soon with a new informative video. Thanks and good luck.